From orchard to bottle, every step preserves flavor and nutrition.
Finished bottles are carefully packed into cartons for transport.
Apples are now spotless, ready for the crushing stage. The journey begins in lush apple orchards bathed in morning light. Ripe apples hang heavily on branches, ready to be harvested. Mechanical harvesters sweep through the orchard, speeding collection. Skilled farmers handpick each apple, selecting only the finest. Even small imperfections are removed to ensure quality juice. Collected apples are carefully transported in crates to maintain freshness. Trucks transport the harvest quickly to the processing factory. Sorting begins immediately upon arrival to separate damaged apples. Automation helps speed the sorting while maintaining quality. Every apple is checked to ensure only the best proceed to washing. Automation allows processing of tons of apples every day. Rotating brushes scrub the apples gently but thoroughly. High-pressure water jets remove all remaining debris and residues. Apples are now spotless, ready for the crushing stage. Industrial crushers break apples into small, manageable pieces. Seeds and coarse solids are separated automatically. Pulp is gradually removed, maintaining natural flavor. Hydraulic presses extract juice efficiently from the crushed apples. Juice retains natural sugars and flavor, ready for clarification. Workers monitor flow to ensure smooth operations. Automation ensures consistency across batches. The raw juice is now ready for filtration and pasteurization. Juice enters filtration units to remove remaining fine pulp. Pasteurization gently heats the juice, killing harmful bacteria.
Temperature and time are carefully monitored for quality. Laboratory tests check sugar content, acidity, and color.
Only juice passing all tests moves to the bottling stage. Automation ensures consistent quality for every batch. Workers oversee the process, ensuring nothing is left to chance. Golden juice flows seamlessly towards sterilized filling machines. Precision filling ensures every bottle contains the perfect amount. Capping machines seal bottles tightly to preserve freshness. Defective bottles are removed automatically to maintain quality. Labels are applied showing brand, nutrition facts, and production dates. The final bottles are ready for packaging and shipment.
Finished bottles are carefully packed into cartons for transport.
Automated machines fold and seal the cartons precisely. Pallets are arranged in temperature-controlled warehouses. Inventory systems track every bottle for efficient distribution. Trucks are loaded with pallets for transport to stores worldwide. Temperature-controlled trucks preserve freshness during transport. Juice reaches supermarkets ready for consumers to enjoy.
Consumers pick bottles, experiencing the journey from orchard to table. Fresh apple juice reaches homes, ready to refresh and delight.
The golden juice is poured, ready to be enjoyed.
Families savor the fresh taste, a reward for careful processing.
From orchard to bottle, every step ensures quality and flavor.